Hello guys, welcome to day 23 of 30 days Excel challenge. Today in this video we are going to discuss about different importing options available in Microsoft Excel. As you know, suppose your boss has given you a PDF file, and from that PDF file you have to make a report exactly like the report it has done in PDF file. Suppose you were given another a picture was given to you, and by seeing that picture you have to create exactly the same report like that. So in such situations, what can you do? So let us concentrate on this class. This is very simple trick. You can go to insert. Suppose I am having one of the PDF files which was given by my boss. I'm just opening it. As you can see, this PDF file contains the district, the month details, and the type of services that a non-profit organization has done, and number of sevadal means number of volunteers that who have participated in this particular service. Suppose I just want the report, I just wanted to import the same report in Excel. Now how can we do that? Now let us go into Excel. Let us come to this data tab. In this get data option is there, right? Just click that. um, you can select from file. There is an option called as from PDF. Please select that. It will take some time to load, but still we have to bear with it. Then just go to downloads. I have my file in the downloads folder, and select the PDF and just import it. It takes some time, guys, depending on the length of the PDF and the kind of the data that we are having. Yeah, now you can see it is still loading. Yes, exactly. Now, if you click this, any of the table, it will show you what are the contents of this particular PDF. So table 2 contains this information, table 1 contains this information, and select the different tables as per your criteria, as per your requirement. Select different table. Each page will appear as a different table. As you can see, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. Here the PDF is not in the proper format, so that's why as you can see, district, month, service, after this Sevadal column, it should come any other column, but the PDF is not extracted in a proper way. Now you can go here, transform data. You can go to this transform data option. You can edit, make some edits using the Power Query, and you can import the data as per as per the requirement that you have. Otherwise, select the data which you want, select the page in which you have particular data, then click a load button, and then that data will get loaded into your Excel sheet. As you can see, there is some relationship, there is some connection is getting established between that PDF and the Excel file. As you can see, the entire PDF has got downloaded into this Excel file. Now the thing is, how can you convert an Excel into PDF, an Excel file into PDF? That is also pretty simple, guys. You can just select this, press Ctrl P. Instead of printer, you can select an option called as Microsoft Print to PDF. Then you can go to the option print selection, and you can select this option called as print. Then it will show you the location. Then give the name of the file, print. I'm just giving it as print, and I am selecting the downloads file as folder as a location. If you click save, it will get downloaded. So you can go there and you can search. This is our file which we have created. As you can see, the file got automatically created, but it is not created in the format that we prefer actually. But we can make some adjustments to it by clicking different formatting options, and we can actually print the file as the way we want. But this is a in this video I just wanted to show you how can you convert a PDF into an Excel file and an Excel file into PDF. So thank you guys, have a great day.